range, you would have your maximum minus minimum. 201 minus 145 gives you 56. Interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1, so that's 189 minus 155 gives us our interquartile range of 34. Letter B says, describe the variability of temperatures in the hot spring pools at Yellowstone. In order to describe the variability, we could say that the temperature at hot springs pools at Yellowstone varies by 34 to 56 degrees, which means the temperature could change anywhere between 34 and 56 degrees on a daily basis. All right, go ahead and try to find the interquartile range of the depths of a sample of hot spring pools in Yellowstone National Park using the information provided. All right, the first thing we needed to do was order our data from least to greatest. You see we have two middle numbers, but they're both 25, so 25 is our Q2. 25, 27, and 32 and a half make up our upper set of data, so the median of that, or quartile 3, would be 27. 6, 23 and a half, and 25 make up our lower half of data, so the median of those, or Q1, is 23.5. 27 minus 23 and a half would leave us with 3 and a half. All right, let's look at the last example on the back of your notes. Miss Adventure and Data Girl are thinking about their next trip. They sample the flight prices of 2 airlines at random. Find the median and the range for each airline. Based on the two values, make an inference about which airline they will most likely choose. Justify your reasoning. All right, the first thing that we need to do with our data is order from least to greatest. So we're going to start with Beta Air. We have 399, 400, 402, 413, and then 722. Since we have an odd set, we have one median or one middle number. The median is going to be 402 for Beta Air. So that means the middle price of Beta Air is $402. To find our range, we are going to subtract our lowest number from our highest number. So that's 722 minus 399. And that's going to give us a range of $323. So that tells us that the range of ticket prices, or the ticket price, can vary by $323. We then need to take Park Air, and we need to order them from least to greatest. Our smallest number is 398. Then we have 409. We have 428, 447, and 465. Our middle number of this set of data is 428. So that means the median or middle price of the tickets for Park Air is $428. To find our range, we're going to subtract our highest number minus our lowest number. So that's 465 minus 398 is $67. Since the ticket price for Park Air varies by $67, then we can say it's likely that they will choose Park Air for their airline because there's not a big range or a big difference in their ticket prices.